Dive into the heart of the South Pacific and discover the secrets of traveling to Tahiti like a true expert. Begin your journey with a well-crafted plan. Tahiti's allure means summer crowds, so book flights, accommodations, and activities early to avoid disappointment and snag some savings. Remember, the dry season from May to October offers the best weather for your tropical escape. Next, select your sanctuary. From the full-service luxury of resorts with their stunning views to the simplicity of guest houses or the seclusion of a private villa, Tahiti caters to every preference and pocketbook. For the adventurous, Tahiti is a playground. Ride the world-class waves or learn to surf with the pros. Snorkel among vibrant coral reefs or hike through lush trails. The island's natural wonders are an open invitation to get active. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Tahitian culture. Witness the expressive Ori Tahiti dance, savor the fusion flavors of local cuisine, and mingle in the bustling Papit market. A few words of Tahitian like Ia ora na for hello will endear you to the locals. As you explore, honor Tahiti's pristine beauty. Practice leave no trace principles, respect marine life, and follow local customs to ensure you're a responsible visitor. Stay hydrated under the tropical sun and protect your skin. Embrace island time with patience and an open schedule, allowing for serendipity and relaxation. Traveling to Tahiti like an expert is an artful blend of preparation, cultural engagement, and environmental stewardship. With these tips, you're ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of paradise. Pack your bags and let the island's enchantment unfold.